काफी स्टाइलिश लग रहे हो. Just chilling back. Interesting. Um, well, I think the first time I attended the Vogue Awards, the Style Awards, Beauty Awards, I was given one, so it's kind of a special occasion for me. I like coming back. I think it's such an integral part, हमारे लिए, because hair and makeup is such a big theme for us, and it's nice to know what new products are really the favorites among the fashionistas and of course the experts as far as beauty and makeup is concerned and hair and style is concerned, and that's Vogue for you. So I love coming back. It's amazing. Hello, how are you? You lost a lot of weight. I'll be back soon. 14 days, is it? 2 weeks? Really? I'll stop counting. I'm too nervous. Yeah. बाल छोटे हो गए ना. It's my style. I think it sort of reflects my mood. I'd actually rather be in track pants right now and sneakers like one of you people, but I had to dress up today. But I think it's just a reflection of my mood. So like today I had this beautiful gown to wear by Cavalli, and I figured why not style the hair the way it is, the short hair. It's kind of new for me. I'm still getting used to it. So beauty, I think I genuinely don't feel that beauty is stingy. No matter what you're going to use on your face, no matter how many facials you do, you won't look as beautiful unless you're really happy from within, really healthy from within. So I genuinely don't think that that's what beauty is, but it goes a long way if you have the right products with you. And it can help you out. And yeah, I think that's what beauty is. I'm loving my short hair. I love that it takes me 10 minutes to wash my hair now instead of half an hour. So I'm actually enjoying it. I'm not a big follower of trends, so for me to keep track of trends is something that I really can't do. So thank you. Beauty tips. I think बहुत सारे लोगों ना, what they do is especially they cover their face with too much makeup, and they try and copy makeup exactly to what they see on, say, like their favorite stars. So I think क्या करना चाहिए आपको is like choose a feature that really works for you. Like if your eyes are really beautiful, then focus on your eyes, but don't just overdo everything, and don't try and cover what you look like. I've noticed basically brides do that. And you notice on their wedding day they look so different. So just try not to like cover yourself up and just enhance what you already have, and you're beautiful just the way you are. You don't need to cover up. देखो मेरे हिसाब से तो क्लैश नहीं है. I think दोनों बहुत ही different films है, and I think there's so much hard work that's gone into both films. Mohenjo-daro is such an epic film, and I think हमारे लिए Rustom has been such an epic film emotionally. So I think both are really big scale films. We've got great performers in both films, and Akshay keeps saying that we're going to have a joint party with Hrithik once both films comes out. So I think both films are going to do really well, and well, all the best for both of us. That's all I can say. Yes, very much so. I have to be up at 3 o'clock tomorrow morning, so I gotta go.